Today I think we're gonna cook some ground moose. Yeah, just ground moose. Let's see how that goes. Set yourself up with a frying pan, just a little bit hotter than medium. Grab some oil, toss the oil into the frying pan. Grab a wooden spoon, slotted spoon, don't really matter. Get the oil kind of put everywhere. You can take ground beef, either just from out of the package, frozen and or thawed. Toss it right onto your frying pan. And over the course of the next couple of minutes, the ground meat here, the moose, will begin to cook. Just gotta give her some time. To make the cooking process happen just a little bit faster, you can add a lid to your frying pan. It'll help seal in some of the heat. What you're going to want to do is remove the lid, and you can come in here with your utensil of choice. Give it a quick mix and a flip. You don't want everything to cook nice and evenly. You don't want the bottom to just turn so brown that it cooks before everything else does. So just be patient with it, keep flipping it, give it lots of time. Just make sure you're chunking it up. It is ground meat, you don't want it to be in just a few solid chunks. You want that nice brown color. Just keep going. So we got another couple minutes yet here before everything's cooked properly. So I'd say we're at a good look. I can see that we're all out of pink. And so what I'm going to do is, we used a lot of that oil in there. I really don't want to be just eating a whole bunch of oil. So I'm going to take the lid I had placed on there before. I'm going to place it back on there. I'm going to turn off the heat. Grab this pot just so I don't have to walk so far. I'm just going to pour out, see if I can get the camera in there a little bit better. Just going to pour out most of that oil. Sweet. And from there, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my plate, and I'm just going to scoop out my meat onto my plate and have a giant bowl of meat. Awesome. So don't know how many times I've accidentally called this beef throughout the course of the video, but my ground moose is finally done. It's cooked, no pink, just ground moose. Tastes awesome. Super simple. Enjoy.